Welcome to my channel Geeta's Time and Space. In today's video, we will make a designer long gown from Saree. So let's start.
This is the sari that we are going to convert into long gown. Now take the lining for the top part. We are not going to use lining for the bottom part as it is thick. So the lining of the top part should be four folded. Now we'll take the measures. The measure of the top part is 14 inches and we are taking plus 1 inch for stitching. So it will become 15 inches. Now we'll take the measurement of the shoulders. So which is 6.5 inch. So mark near 6.5. Now we'll measure the armhole. It is 6.5 inches. So mark there. Now we'll take the measurement of the chest. It is 8.5 inches plus 1.5 inches, which will give us 10 inches. So mark near 10 inches. Now we'll take half inches inside and mark there. Now using the scale, join all the markings. Now we'll take measurement of the neck part. So the back neck we are taking 3 inches. Length of front neck is 5 inches. And back neck is 3 inches. Mark at the same points and join them using scale. Now give them the shape of your neck. We'll start with the front neck. Now give shape to the back neck. Now join the two ends like this as shown. Now we'll take measurement of the armhole. So mark it 3.5 inches. And draw a curve as shown. Now take half inch outside and now draw the other rahmul. Now we'll take measurement of the west of the top part. It is 7.5 plus 1.5, which is 9 inches. So mark at 9 inches and now join the 2 points as shown. Now mark 1 inches from below and give it a curve shape like this. Now we'll first cut the back part. Now remove the inner lining, which will be our back part. We have removed it aside and now we'll do cutting of the front part. Now take your sari and separate the pallu aside. Now its measurement of the bottom part width is 60 inches and length we are taking as 36 inches. It is 36 inches. And now we'll separate the remaining part. Now we'll cut the front part from the sari. Keep the lining at the border so that we get the particular design we need. Keep half inches length so that we get the part for stitching. Now draw its border on the sari with a chalk. And cut it out. So we get the front part like this. Now we'll do cutting of the back part. This is the folded part, and here on the other side it is open. Now draw border using chalk. And cut it out. So you will get the bottom part like this. It is back part and not bottom part. Now we'll do cutting of the sleeves. So take your piece of sari and fold it into fourfold. Its length you can take as you want. We are taking it 13 and half. Mark at 1 inch and at 3 inches. Now join the 2 points by giving it a curve shape. Now take half inch inside and again mark, which will be the front part of the sleeve. Now the length of our elbows, we are taking it as 5.5 inch. Using a scale, join the 2 points. Cut it out. Open it, and now we'll cut out the front part of both the sleeves. Now we'll join the front part. Stitch it up here. We have stitched it and it looks like this. Now take the front side of the sari and put the lining on it. Stitch it at the neck as shown. After stitching, give cuts so that it will be folded properly. Now turn it over. Now stitch it to the neck again. Now take the back part of the top and keep the lining on it. Stitch at the neck and do the same procedure, and we get the front part and back part. Now keep them opposite on each other like this. Now stitch the shoulders. We have stitched it, and now turn it. You'll get something like this. Now we'll join the sleeves. So take the sleeve, keep it opposite like this, and stitch it from here. We have stitched both the sleeves. Now we'll make the bottom part. So from the center, start making frills like this on both the sides. You can secure it with pin as well and stitch it. After stitching, it will look like this. Now we'll join the top part to the bottom part. So now we'll turn it over like this. And stitch it from here. We have stitched it, and now we'll join the back part, back bottom part. First we'll join the belts. So take a strip from the sari and fold it as shown and stitch it from here. Make two belts like this. Join on both the sides. Following the same process, we'll join the back bottom part. Keep the top back part there and stitch it. We have stitched it, and this is the opposite side. So now we'll join and do fitting. Start stitching from their sleeves, then the top part, then vest, and then the bottom part. Do the same on the other side. And yes, our dress is ready. Do give it a try, give this video a thumbs up, subscribe to our channel, and thanks for watching.